The countries with the highest rates of boat travel were Nauru, the Federated States of Micronesia, the Cook Islands, Tonga, and Niue. The rates of boat travel for these 5 countries range from 94.5% to 81.7%. Nauru had the highest rate of boat travel by residents at 94.5%.
The world's most populous region, with approximately 35 million residents, is Tokyo. The 10 largest urban areas in the world range from approximately 12 million to 35 million. Tokyo, Mexico City, and New York are the 3 most populous regions in the world.
In both 2007 and 2008, Moscow was rated as the city with the highest cost of living. Moscow, Tokyo, London, Oslo, and Seoul were rated as the world's 5 most expensive cities to live in. Between 2007 and 2008, Moscow remained the world's most expensive city. Over that period, Tokyo and Oslo became relatively more expensive, while London and Seoul became relatively less expensive.
On December 20th, 2008, the Australian share market opened at 3,620. It closed the day at 3,560. Relative to the previous day, Australian share prices opened slightly higher by 30 points, then gradually eased to close lower by 30 points. Between 10 and 11 a.m., the Australian share market lost 40 points. It stabilized for several hours before falling further between 3 and 4 p.m.
There is a relationship between how tired a subject is and response time. The highly fatigued subjects have a much slower response rate of over 3.5 seconds, compared to alert subjects who have a response time of about 0.8 seconds.
The sun is mainly made up of hydrogen and helium, with very small amounts of oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, and silicon. There are about 3/4 of hydrogen and 1/4 of helium.
The reported population densities range from just above 0 persons per square kilometer to about 18,000 people in Singapore. The most densely populated country reported was Singapore. Bermuda and Bangladesh had moderate population densities, while the densities of Australia and Greenland were very low.